Guys, been a little while since I made an update. Working on the basement wall here. Tomorrow, new electrical services going in. Gonna get rid of this panel, sub panel mess. I'll show you. My dad did this. We paid $800 to have this put in 1991, 100 amp service. They wanted $1,200 for 200 amp service, and Dad wouldn't go for it. So you see that panel's full, and the sub's almost full. We're putting 200 amp service in, so everything can be for the garage. So that's that. So I had to get this wall ready. I don't know. I should have taken some pictures. I have pictures. Maybe I can insert them. I don't know. Sorry about this fuzzy camera thing here. You see all the blotches? Nothing I can do. Gotta wait till I have money to get another camera, another phone. The camera's messed up on this one. Nice phone though. But so there you go. That's the wall. That section. This section doesn't look quite the same, but it's solid. This is just different. This is concrete mix. That was all blown out 2 years ago. I fixed that. Had my friend's kids helped me. So there, that's that. So that's the after. And I got to put the waterproofing on here yet. Hang on, let me show you the other wall here. Don't mind my basement mess. Look at my beautiful coal. Look at my beautiful anthracite. So there's the walls I fixed in 2017 when I put the coal stove in. And they're holding up all right. You see, I got a little bit of water down there. Nothing I can do. There's a 2 by 6 right here that I actually cemented over. You can see, and it's got a crack down here. And a little bit of water comes in. I drilled a hole in the floor so everything runs down. But yeah, I mean, these walls used to just leak in like a faucet. See that one too by the coal stove. All right. So yeah, I'm getting a new boiler, not a new boiler, a used coal boiler. It's gonna go over there in that messy area. But yeah, been cleaning the basement up. But there's some before shot of the wall. I haven't worked on this. I got to work on this like a dentist. I've been watching Mike Haddock masonry. He lives up around Scranton. Been watching his videos, and he was very helpful. Very helpful on how to fix masonry. So I got that wall done over the coal bin, you see. So I got to do this wall all the way over the corner here. But you can see here is a spot. Now what I'm doing here, moving around a lot again. Sorry. Trying to get better with this camera. Only been doing YouTube for 10 years. You think I'd get better? Oh. So anyway, I got a hammer, got my masonry hammer here. So what you can see is like some places where they poured the concrete, the rocks were like so close to the wall. So I take my hammer. You see, there's a spot where my dad patched. There's another spot where my dad patched, but you can see there's a spot where I hit it with the hammer. Just look at the concrete. Look at it. It just chips away like nothing. There's a hollow spot here. Here, oh, that's hollow. So that's what I got to do. I got to come here like a dentist, and I got to knock out all the hollow. You can see the dirt there. See the brown mud. So yeah, it's like a roll of wall. See, there's a piece of rock right there. There's a rock sticking through. But yeah. Anyway, so you know the yellow stuff here is my dad's waterproofing from 50 years ago. It's peeling off. I got to knock that all off too. You can see it just chips right off. So yeah, a lot of prep work here. Slow moving here, but yeah, this was a big hole. It was like this, but worse. So that's what we end up with. And the water's just pouring through there. You can see the lines where the water's just been running in here. And look at the red. There's a red dot. You can see where my dad had done the waterproofing 50 years ago, and well, 48 years ago. He poured this basement floor, I think, in 1971. It's beautiful yet. But that's what you can see. And Dad kind of gave up. I don't blame him. This whole corner here was just nothing but freaking patches, and I just learned how to do it better, you know. So that, like I said, that was all collapsed out, and then as you can see, so this whole wall I got to do next. I had to get this one done. I'm gonna put the waterproofing paint on it when this dries. This will be ready for the electrician tomorrow. So anyway, so as I was saying about the water coming in here, you can see where Dad put the red paint. You see where the water just drips and runs in. So you see the challenge I'm up against. There's another spot there where I was chipping away. So yeah, what a mess. So here you go, and you can see it's just crumbling out. There's a rock. There's another hole, and then over here, I think it's about 20 years ago, maybe longer. About 20 years ago. My son's 23, almost. Yeah, 20 years ago. This was crumbling in, and Dad and I knew nothing about masonry, and there was no internet. I mean, the internet was in its infancy back then. You really couldn't search much. So I poured this. Dad and I built this form and poured this concrete thing, and the water just comes in right underneath it. I think I'm just gonna end up busting that up with a freaking jackhammer and fixing the wall. But yeah, you can see, like, they used anything and anything they could find here. Look, 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 coal ash. See the coal? More rocks. We're getting there. Yeah, there's where you see it's just wet and porous. So yeah, so that's that. So yeah, slow and steady wins the race here. I find myself stuck to this house a lot. I want to get out and do stuff. I want to go out and go hiking. I just gotta get, you know, I got a lot going on, so hopefully I get a day off or two here. Yeah, that's what you got going on. Over the winter, my cousin's son and I, my cousin's son Nathan, came and helped me, and we insulated all these spaces. There, I had some foam that was going bad. I just sprayed it in there. I cut the expanding foam and then touched it with the insulation. So we're getting there. They're getting there. It ain't the Taj Mahal, but it's all we got. So, and this is for short people down here. If you come to visit me and you're tall, you're not gonna like my basement. So, when you come to marvel at my coal boiler when it's installed, you're gonna have to duck. So yeah, all this old duct work here, my dad put it in 1971. So yeah, I'm gonna go from forced air to hot water. And then over here, I got foam right there. But over here in this corner over here, this is where the piping's gonna come in from the outside. I gotta take the wheelchair ramp away temporarily. And yeah. So yeah, that's what that looks like. Much better. I'm gonna let that dry, take a break. I gotta prep this. I gotta prep that section a little more, and then prep some of this wall, because that's not gonna take maybe half a bag there. I gotta knock those little areas out more. I wanted to get this whole wall done today, but I gotta pace myself. This is the main goal here, was to get that filled up, and it's done. So now I can rest after all. It won't take me long to put the waterproofing on. I don't have a whole lot left. Let's see, how much do I got here? This is what I've been using. Oh, this one's empty. Super Thorough Seal. My friend RJ recommended this. They sell it at certain Lowe's. This stuff is freaking awesome. Oh, where's my thing? Oh, there it is. There's the other one. All right, so that two containers did that 5 feet there, and then this section here, and then that section there to the coal stove, to the wet past the window, and then as you see, I still have to do this section of the wall here. I gotta do that section of wall there. I gotta get some help to move this old refrigerator out of here. I gotta move this coal stove out, and then when the boiler comes, I gotta move this coal stove out. So who wants to help? So there you have it. That's what I've been up to. Hopefully I can get you some car videos this summer, and some more hiking videos, and whatever else I come across. So there you go. Let's hope the water doesn't come in there. And then you can see, you can just see the floor just muddy. Again, I apologize for the spotty camera. It is what it is. It's a Galaxy S7 Active. I don't know if I should try to get the camera fixed or just get another phone. I don't know. It was pretty cheap. I think under $100 I paid for the phone. So you get what you pay for. So there you have it. I'll give you some more updates then. Some updates tomorrow when the electrician's working. And in 9 minutes, it's going to take me all day to upload this. So hey, you guys take care. God bless. And have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.